All right, let's make a high vibrational plate, shall we? I'm missing a couple of ingredients that I would normally use to make a traditional jambalaya, but girl, cook the produce that's in your fridge. Garlic, some onions, some rainbow carrots, some broccoli, and some organic kale. Some red beans that are already soaked and cooked. Marinate these mushrooms. These are baby bella mushrooms. A little bit of liquid aminos, some liquid smoke, and Old Bay until the ancestors tell you to stop. Put a little olive oil in your pot. And add the garlic and onion, and the carrots too. We're finna let those simmer down for a little bit and then add the mushrooms, kale, and broccoli in. It's regular old white rice. You get to rinse your rice off. Don't be out here eating unsanitized rice. Some kidney beans in there. Salt. Pepper. Roasted garlic. Paprika and some cayenne pepper. Rosemary, basil, and oregano to ground it. Can of diced tomatoes. Sometimes I use fresh ones, but girl, ain't nobody had time for that today. So. And then 2 cups of water. I'm gonna put in some hot sauce too. This is what we're gonna cook the rice in. Put the rice in. I'm gonna let it soak all up in, what you call it? What is this called? I am not a chef. I just like to cook. The rice is in here. Soaking all the juices. I add a bay leaf for extra flavor, protection, and prosperity. Amen, amen. I'm gonna let that simmer for the next 25 minutes. I am going to sip on this today. This is Geisen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. 0% non-alcoholic rosé for all my sober babes and ladies who love luxury. I put it in my Amazon storefront if you want to try it. I gotta cool it down. The rice should be nice and fluffy, and all of the liquid should be soaked up out of it. I served it with a little bit of kale salad on the side and some cucumbers with salt, pepper, and vinegar. If you know, you know. And of course, we have to eat off of fine china from my decor collection, Ladybuds. Check it out if you like sustainable vegan luxury.